So walking back on the west wing, we're going to go through the atrium area, and then we're going to turn left, and that is going to be our north wing. And on the north wing, we have our project labs, clinic labs, ECE Resource Center, our fabrication and prototyping, rapid fabrication and prototyping facility, as well as regular standard classrooms. All right, so this is one of our standard classrooms. This classroom seats 40 students. And in fact, it is the largest classroom in the building. As I mentioned, most of our classes are in teaching labs. Every now and then we'll have some classes in these rooms. Again, this seats 40. Rarely we even go that high. The highest, the largest class sizes we typically have is between 30 and 35. And that is only for some electives that do not require any lab. Now, another interesting feature of these classrooms is the walls. Both the front wall as well as both left and right walls are actually whiteboards that the professors and the students can write. So it provides a considerable amount of writing space